If you're on your weight loss journey and you hate to weigh yourself because of that one number on the scale, this video is for you. I found a new scale a couple weeks ago and I wanted to share it with you because it really allows me to get a more behind the scenes look as to why I'm weighing the weight that I'm weighing. And it looks like this. It's pretty cool because it also connects to your phone and uses an app to really track all of your measurements. So you get a in-depth look of your overall health using 13 different measurements. Just to show you, this is what the app looks like. So as you are weighing yourself, these results get uploaded in real time into the app. So you have your overall weight, where you currently stand, and then if you scroll down, this is where you're going to see those 13 different measurements. And what's really cool is if you select one of them, it'll actually show you where you currently are and where ideally you should be. So you have a snapshot of your overall health. Plus, you have the trends button to where you can actually see progress from where you began to where you are currently. So this app is pretty cool. If you want to learn more about the RENPHO scale, the link is in my bio.